Hi there. This is the register page that look like after you register at this form. You just enter your full name, your emails, and create your password here. Please tick this one if you're from Europe, so you have to tick both this box here. Then you just click create account. After that, you'll be bring to this site, and you have to log in. Let me log in first, and inside the member area it will look like this. This is the welcome page. You can go to other page using this down, what you call this one. This is the down page. You just pick which page you want to go. Like this, you just want to go to the tutorial videos, you just pick the tutorial video page and click load page, and it will bring you to the load tutorial video, and you will go to other places like download. Just pick the download and click load page. You can add as 3 to 5 page of this website of yours if you want to. So if you want more than that, then you have to pay more for it. So this is quite simple. It's very clean. It's very simple looking membership sites. As the payment tools platform, you can use any platform that you want, whether it's PayPal or Stripe or your own conventional bank. You can use it, because once you do the payment, you can give the link to the subscribers. This is simple like this. Okay, so I hope you understand, and see you in another video.